Morning students. In the previous video I have told that from the next video we are going to start your English practice book. So students, we have taken up your English practice book, that is chapter number 1, putting it together. So students, there is a worksheet number 1 for you. Read the following passage and make a list of all the proper nouns, common nouns and abstract nouns in the passage in appropriate columns given on the next page. So students, before reading this, I will tell you about these nouns. So, proper noun. Because we are supposed to find out proper noun, common noun and abstract noun, so we must know the meaning of these nouns. Proper noun refers to a particular person, place or thing. Particular person, place or thing. Okay. For example, Lata Mangeshkar. It is a name of a person. Kolkata, name of a place. The Times of India, it is a thing. The Taj, again, that is a place. Sorry, monument. Okay, students. That is one of its own kind. So these are known as proper nouns. There is a short note. Please note that a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Okay, so with a capital letter always it begins. देखो, लता मंगेशकर L capital, कोलकाता K capital, the Times of India T capital, the Taj T capital. So students, now we will study common noun. A common noun is a name given in common to a person, place or thing of the same class and kind. For example, girls and boys have different features. So, because on the basis of their feature, we have described them as boys and as girls. So, they are common noun. Woman, computer, plane, town, pencil. एक जैसी चीज़ें हैं, एक जैसी चीज़ को हमने नाम दे दिया एक सा. ओके, पेंसिल, सारी पेंसिल देखो एक जैसी होती हैं. सो वी हैव गिवन नेम टू देम पेंसिल. नेक्स्ट, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन कोई चीज़ नहीं होती. इट इज़ जस्ट एन आइडिया. यू कैन नॉट टच इट, ओके, बट यू कैन फील इट. ओके, दीज आर द थॉट्स. फील, आप उसको फिजिकली फील नहीं कर सकते. दे आर द थॉट्स, थिंकिंग्स. दे कैन बी थॉट ऑफ और फेल्ट. लाइक काइंडनेस, लव. आप टच कर सकते हो काइंडनेस को? नो, यू कैन फील इट. ओके. Beauty, warmth, anger, darkness. These are the things. So students, now I am going to read it and you are supposed to find out. Okay. Mr. Arya and his family. Mr. Sunil Arya lives in New City with his wife and their 2 children. Theirs is a small and happy family. The family is respected in New City for their kindness. Mr. Arya is a scientist and is famous for his creative intelligence. He has a secret laboratory in his home. He loves inventing unusual machines. One of his most successful inventions is human robot called Sid. Another important invention is his time machine, which can send anyone into past or future. This machine is named Tim. Yet another wonderful machine is supersonic microphone called Mic, which can help anyone understand the language of animals. Apart from inventing such scientific gadgets, Mr. Arya also likes reading newspapers and solving crossword puzzles. So students, I have written some proper nouns. Proper noun, Sunil Arya, New City, Sid, Tim, Mick. Okay, you can also find out some more if you want. Then common nouns, wife, children, human, scientist. And here I will add machine also. Machine. Then abstract nouns, happy, respected, kindness, intelligence. Okay, these are the abstract nouns. So this one we have read earlier. Now students, given below are the visuals of some famous people, places and things. You can see these visuals are some famous people and things. Write the name of each of the visual in column A. Here we are supposed to write the names and here we are supposed to write what that visual is. Okay. So like this is Mr. Sunil Arya. Then here we will write scientist. Then this is Taj Mahal. Okay, we will write the Taj Mahal. Then it is a monument. Here we have Sachin Tendulkar. He is a player. India Gate, the India Gate. This is monument. Swami Vivekananda. He is a saint. So students, now what they are trying to tell you, all the words you have written in column A, Swami Vivekananda, the India Gate, Sachin Tendulkar, Mr. Sunil Arya, and the Taj Mahal, they all are proper nouns. And in column B, saints, monuments, player, scientist, again monument, they all are common nouns. Okay, means देखो, पर्टिकुलर नेम, प्लेस और थिंग, दे आर प्रॉपर नाउन. एक जैसी मॉन्यूमेंट्स तो बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं, प्लेयर भी बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं, बट सचिन तेंदुलकर तो एक ही है. So that's why they are known as proper noun and these are known as common nouns. Now students, next is C. Mr. Arya loves solving crossword puzzles. He comes across the following puzzle in the City Times. Help him solve it using the clues given below. So these are the clues. Across like this. A good person has much. Number 3. A good person has much goodness. GOODNESS. Then we have a patient person shows a lot of. Number 4. Patience. 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 An honest person possesses a lot of. Number 7. Honesty. HONESTY. A brave soldier shows great. That is bravery. BRAVERY. Down. A courageous man shows a lot of. So here it is courage. 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 Then a thing of dash is a joy forever. Thing of beauty. That is number 2. BEAUTY. Beauty. A curious person is full of curiosity. CURIOSITY. A poor family suffers from its poverty. That is POVERTY. Poverty. Now students, what they are trying to tell you, all the words that you have written in the puzzle are abstract nouns. How they are abstract nouns? Goodness को आप touch तो नहीं कर सकते, देख भी नहीं सकते, you can feel it. Courage also the same. Patience, curiosity, all the things are same. They are known as abstract nouns. Now students, we have worksheet number 2. Let us know more about the Arya family. Now you can see a picture of a lady, that is Mrs. Arya. Mrs. Arya, a housewife, is a simple and intelligent lady. She is extremely loving and caring. She does all the household chores efficiently. She cooks food patiently, cleans the house every day, washes clothes carefully, takes care of her family, and does all the shopping. She has decorated her home beautifully. She loves reading books and often visits the library. She is generally calm, but sometimes she loses her patience with her husband's strange inventions. Now students, what we are supposed to do here? Now underline all the action verbs given in the above paragraph. Action word means they are showing you that something is done. Okay, जिससे हमें action के बारे में पता चल रहा है, like cook, play, smile. Here students, cooks, cleans, washes, decorated, visits, reading. I have underlined these for you. Now students, B part. Read the passage again in the box given below. List any 5 action words and the words which tell you more about them. How, when, where, how often, etc. Okay. So, now in this column, we will write action words. And here we will write those words which tells us more about the action. Okay. Likewise, cooks patiently. Fine. Cleans every day. Washes carefully. Visits library, reading books. Okay. Now what they are trying to tell you, all the words which tell you how, when, where, how often about an action are called adverbs. It means the words that tell you more about the action words, they are known as adverbs. They tell you more about the action words. They tell you more about the action. Okay, like run. Okay, run is an action. He runs quickly. So quickly is adverb. Okay. Fine students, so up to here only we will study today. And students, please complete your this English practice book in time with me only. आज जितना किया आज के आज complete कर लो. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.